Check out these must-use 7 English words to take your English to the next level.
Number 1.
Serendipity and unexpected fortunate discovery.
Hey Joan, what a serendipitous encounter. I never expected to run into you here. How are you?
Their serendipity-filled reunion led to hours of joyful reminiscing about their shared memories.
Number 2. Petrichor, the pleasant, earthy smell after rain.
The petrichor filled their lungs as they stood under the rain, providing a refreshing scent that rejuvenated their spirits. After the rain stopped, they opened the windows to let the petrichor permeate their home, creating a cozy and calming atmosphere.
Number 3. Mellifluous, having a sweet or musical flow of sound.
Wow. Where is this guy?
Sorry I'm late. Oh.
As the singer's mellifluous notes filled the air, the entire radio audience was mesmerized by his vocal talents. The radio host's mellifluous voice made listening to the news a pleasant experience, even when the headlines were grim.
Number 4. Ephemeral, lasting for a short period. Fleeting.
The beauty of the fireworks display was ephemeral, but it left a lasting impression on all who witnessed it. The ephemeral fireworks illuminated the night sky, painting it with vibrant colors for a fleeting moment.
Number 5. Euphoria, feeling of intense happiness or excitement.
Winning the championship brought a wave of euphoria to the team, celebrating their hard-earned victory. The crowd erupted with euphoria as their favorite band performed their hit song, creating an electric atmosphere at the concert.
Number 6. Limerence, the initial exhilarating feeling of falling in love.
Her heart fluttered with limerence as she caught the eye of the mysterious person across the cafe, wondering what their story might be. The man in the cafe fell into a state of limerence, consumed by thoughts of his new romantic interest.
Number 7. Sonorous, producing a deep, rich sound.
The sonorous chimes of the piano echoed through the church, announcing the arrival of a joyous celebration. The sonorous piano notes reverberated through the concert hall, captivating the audience with their rich and melodious resonance.